Hey players, so yesterday during his press conference, President Biden said, hey, I'm fighting for this country. Frid Dump is fighting for himself. Now I'm going to go ahead and keep it a stack, which if you were to check the record, you will believe that that is absolutely true. Because just yesterday, Frid Dump filed his official motion to throw out his conviction in New York using the new Supreme Court decision that he is immune from prosecution for official acts. Y'all grab your tea and have a seat. Let's get into it. So yesterday, a 52-page brief was made public where Frid Dump made his formal push to toss his criminal conviction in the wake of the Supreme Court's presidential immunity decision. Now, he contended that he's being treated unfairly and unlawfully. Frid Dump's Cracker Jack Box legal team is not only asking Judge Marchand to throw out his guilty verdict, but they are also asking that last year's indictment be completely dismissed. According to Frid Dump's Cracker Jack Box legal team, the record is clear. District Attorney in New York was wrong, very wrong. Be that as it may, Your Honor now has the authority to address these injustices, and the court is duty bound to do so in the light of the Supreme Court decision. As we all know, back in May, a jury of Frid Dump's peers convicted him on 34 counts of falsifying business records with the intent to unlawfully influence the 2016 election by disguising reimbursements to Michael Cohen as a legal retainer. Now, this was all done before Frid Dump won the presidency. Michael Cohen did indeed pay $130,000 to Stormy Daniels to stay quiet about the alleged affair with Frid Dump. Now, of course, we know Frid Dump denies the affair. Now, unlike Frid Dump's other criminal cases, he has never argued that he was immune from the hush money charges themselves. But the Supreme Court ruling blocks prosecutors from bringing in protected acts as evidence, even if the charges concern an unofficial act. So Frid Dump is indeed going to try to argue that him paying that hush money was an official act. And some of those payments, I believe, were made after he was president. So he's going to try to dissect the evidence that was presented against him and say, hey, I done some of this whenever I was president, so these are official acts. That's what he's going to try to do in this case. Now, as we all know, Frid Dump was supposed to be sentenced yesterday on my birthday, but Judge Marchand did delay that sentencing until September after he makes a decision on this very claim that Frid Dump is making. Now, the prosecution has until, I believe, July 22nd to answer Frid Dump's new motion. I declare, honey, what a disgrace. Now, if this doesn't sound like a person that is using the judicial system for themselves, and this Supreme Court ruling for themselves, fighting for themselves, I don't know what is. All right, players, put your thoughts in the comments. This is Double D Mo for the Black Accurate News.